Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Our Lady of Mount Carmel for this wonderful day as Jordan and Victoria give themselves each other in holy matrimony. We're delighted that all of you are here for this wonderful celebration. As today, in the presence of God our Father, you establish between yourselves a lifelong partnership.
Jordan, do you take Victoria to be your wife? Do you promise to be faithful to her in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love her and to honor her all the days of your life?
I do.
It's my joy and honor to introduce Mr. and Mrs. Rodbeck. You may now kiss the bride.